Good day, everyone. You're watching Educast Live, your official source of campus news and events. I am Christian Titore, bringing you live coverage this April 10, 2026. Today marks an exciting opening of Mag-Inong Unite 2026, a celebration that highlights collaboration, creativity, and unity among future educators. With this year's theme, Synergy in Action, Unity and Purpose, students come together to showcase their talents, skills, and shared passion for teaching. We have our field reporters stationed in different areas to give us real-time updates on activity happening around the venue. Let's begin our coverage. We go first, our reporters Andrew Bell, Joanne, and Angel at the main venue.
Good day, everyone. Magandang RMCMI. Today, we are here at Martinez Zone 4, Block 1 Gymnasium.
And we are here today to witness the different activities
For Inuginay 2026. I am Joel Bragan Ditibas Diwan,
and I am Annabelle Daga.
your news reporter for this event.
Watch me party on you, yeah. Party on you.
So, can you kindly tell us your name?
My name is Audrey Victoria.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you. So, what society are you?
I'm from Seed Society.
Wow, English majors ang ating seedlings. Okay, magaling mag-English ito, basta mga from English society. Okay, so, sir, can we ask you how's your experience on Inog Unite 2026?
First thing is, it's very great and happy because nasaksihan ko ang mga happenings din which is, very enjoyable.
Okay. Okay. So, thank you, sir. Wow, mga mathematics major, mga gagaling. Mga matatalino. Okay, sir, can we ask you a question? So, how's your experience in Inog Unite 2026?
So, my experience in this event that we call the Inugunay 2026 is very fun because lahat ng classmates and my friends is nandito and lahat ng event is very funable and yes, fun. It's fun talaga.
Okay.
Now, how many different activities are related to technical of students and different types of skills, even though in artistry and also in the skills and creativity.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am your newscaster for this afternoon. I am Angel Tiganter. Right now, we are here at Martinez Block 1 Barangay Zone 4 Unit. Along me right now, Jack and Boy Jack and Team, my showcasing their strategy and collaboration. Each society has 6 participants to participate.
Okay, reminders, participants.
We are currently here today outside of Ling Nation. As you can see, the event happening right now is Chinese Garden.
And we will find someone who can answer our question about how was your experience during the event.
Okay, let's find someone. Hi ma'am. Lagi lang po. Sorry lang po. So hi ma'am, can you ask your questions? So what's your name? So how's your experience in terms of our activities in Nuginay 2026?
Actually, Nuginay is very fantastic and great event that we are showcasing what adult is really, talented in terms of academic and physical activities. So this day is very fantastic and enjoyable.
Thank you. The question, so I can answer. So what society are you? College, major in
So, can you serve you for sir? So, what's your name, sir? And what society are you? So, can we ask you a couple of questions, sir? How's your experience in terms of this day? Right now, it's because of the new concept of even though napakainit ng oras, mas umiinit yung mga labanan sa ating mga laruan. Sir, so na-interview natin? Sa akin. Very pleasant sa natin. Wonderful answer. So, how are you feeling? Ano ang katapusan? Thank you for your time, sir.
I'm from Big Society! So, how was your experience in this event? Dahil sa due to, sa COVID na panahon, medyo hindi ko kayo pero at the same time, enjoy ko. Habang, if nagalang ako mga, especially sa Dance Games, may interview ko mga students na nag-enjoy ko sa habang, sa mga baisan ay nag-enjoy.
Okay, so ma'am, ano ka participant in this day?
Yeah, sa Limbura. Actually, ano lang siya, biglaan lang siya sa hapang kay kulang sa participant. Pero, na-enjoy ko man siya kaya doon nabugta ko ako na kasi init-init, ito lang panahon, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much for that, ma'am.
See that different students are enjoying the different activities for our Nuginay 2026. This Nuginay showcases the different talents and skills for our different side. In all, we can see that all the participants for Inugunay 2026 had so much fun. So how about you, partner?
I have so much fun also, partner. But let's see if next event is enjoyable also.
That's all for today. Maganda ang RMMCMI.
Thank you, reporters. That's all for now of Mag Inugunay 2026. Stay tuned for more live coverage as we continue to bring you the highlights of this meaningful celebration. Once again, I am Christian Tiltore and this is Educast Live, bringing stories that inspires and connect. Have a great day ahead.
Magandang
Arab of CMI. They career Janet Martinez, Jim Nation, as a second day of the non-tag running president. The first competition here is Zumba competition.
For society, hindi mo sa ha? For society. Pinatulog ko ni ano din. Yes.
Now, our same night, for our second event, it was Fitness, the mass dance competition.
So far, it's been nice and talagang pinagsasabi ko talaga ang event.
Let's move forward for the next event. Presenting the extemporaneous for student showcasing skills in communication government. So this is your
set of initiatives and resources for us to be able to surpass challenges like the rising fuel price hike. And lastly, there must be unity in terms of how we see this issue. I am someone who has experienced the rise of fuel price hike here in our community. Take, for example, when I am riding a metro fleet, I can hear the complaints of regular Filipinos. This is a time for us to remember that when it comes to unity, it is not just a vision for ourselves, but most importantly, to empower individuals and uplift communities. And today, like I have said, as we celebrate Manila Night 2026, let us all remember
I have a question for you. Live in July 2020.
Well, actually for me, no, so, first of all, magpakilala ko ang Journey second year representing so sa akin lang, overall naman, it was fun. And actually, nakakandid na kapitagid ang pag-utilize ng bawat isa, ang unity ng bawat isa, no? Pero yung workshop or mga meeting, hindi yung mga bagay, tabisin na wala pagod na puntaran, may mga maliting galit. So, sa akin lang siguro for me na lamang is na ang kanya o lang bawat isa is magpadayon sa pag-utilize. Hindi na ba, no? Wala din pagula ang unity, ang inibinay sa pagbuligay ng bawat isa sa pagdala sa mga nalutang kakulit. So, dito nakakita na highlight sa gid na ang alam naman si MI is nag-inibinay sa anuman ng mga plado na ginagawa. So, mas hindi ba gid nakita ang love sa medic na pero balang ko man siguro maharap ka sa medic mo. Pero mas ano pa kadugay o ano pa sa banang ulang ang nag-iilang sa ibang ang mga natabot pag nagbubog ang bawat isa. So that's why so overall sa jagad meaningful din ang kulinan.
Back to you, partner.
So now let us hear from Mr. What's your name, sir?
My name is Michael W. Atishu.
Okay, so what activity did you participate, sir?
Societal dance.
So how was your experience?
Very good. Everything was fine, and every student is collaborative, and it turns out amazing.
Wow, that's great. So partner Jerry,